13 और 14 अगस्त सन 47 ईस्वी की दरमियानी रात 12 बजे तुलुए सुबह आज़ादी।
We cannot afford to neglect our defense. The primary responsibility for the defense of our country will rest with us, and Pakistan must be prepared for all eventualities and dangers. The best way in which we can serve the cause of peace is by removing the temptation from the path of those who think that we are weak and therefore they can bully or attack us.
बहुत सी उम्मीदें वाबस्ता हैं हमसे. We have to deliver and deliver to the best possible efficiency.
Every one of you has an important role to play in strengthening the defense of the country. It is not life that matters, but the courage, fortitude, and determination you bring to it. I trust that you will keep up the best traditions of the service and maintain high the honor and prestige of Pakistan as one of the greatest nations of the world.